As always, a useful, albeit short video for Peugeot 308 owners in the T9 body style. Although it's not exclusively for them, actually, I decided to take a look this year and see what condition the intercooler radiator is in. And, I couldn't, the thing is the screw has rusted and won't turn. And you could say it's not surprising after all, the car isn't getting any younger. And of course, yes. Yeah, the thing is a little over a year ago I went in there and unscrewed it, and today it's just the metal drill and drilling it out. Unpleasant, our Belarusian salt is making its presence known. It would be one thing if no one had ever gone in there. No, that's not it. So keep in mind that surprises like this can happen, so I bought some stainless steel screws and anchors. Let's take a moment to pause. Taking this opportunity, I want to say thank you to my sponsors for supporting the channel. So, what I'm doing is liked and interesting to some people. If the video you're watching has turned out to be useful for you, if you want to support the channel, there's a link in the video description with all the details. Well, of course, there's a very nice bonus for all the sponsors. Let's continue. I think that next time everything will definitely work out as it should. And here is a video about nothing, it would seem, but the paradox is that literally 1 or 2 winters with our salt are enough, and everything will rust. So if you have to climb down somewhere and remove plastic, keep in mind, what if you've never climbed down there and done anything? There's a huge chance you won't even be able to get in there because everything has already rusted. By the way, I regularly lubricate the bolts that are used to secure the engine guard, through which I drain the oil, with grease every time I change the oil. And honestly, if I hadn't been doing that, I probably wouldn't have been able to get in there one day. Maybe this video will be useful for someone and make them think, but for some people it doesn't matter. Whoever needs it will change it later. Something like that. In any case, that's all for today. Good luck on the roads, everyone. Bye.